welcome back to another video. Today, we're gonna do an unboxing challenge. Well, we're doing an unboxing thing, like an unboxing thing, like today. I had this for about 3 years. This phone. And today we're going to be unboxing the Galaxy Luna, the Samsung Galaxy Luna. And so that's what we're doing. I got it from a flea market, and it was about, like, I would say $95. Pretty cheap for a phone. But so now we're gonna get started with the video. Okay, so we're gonna open up this. It came with the phone. It's just a random charger for it. Then here's the phone. Okay, I'm gonna do something off camera with it. And I set it up. Here it is. So this is it. Got the App Store. Oh, that's not working. There we go. Now I got the Wi-Fi working. Here it is. So yeah. Now we're gonna go farther into the case. I'm gonna put the phone up here. What's this? Earbuds? Really? Came with iPhone earbuds. I don't know. That right there. Nothing else. Nope, nothing else in the thing. So just a quick video. If on this video, if we can hit, like, I'm probably gonna go too big, but 4 likes on this video. 4. Tomorrow, with my friend, we're gonna do the ice bucket challenge. So please like and subscribe. Wait, I have to do it. Wait. See ya.